Hari Om Tat Sat. 4 chapters on freedom. Commentary on the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, Swami Satyanand Saraswati. Chapter 1, Samadhi Pada. Sutra 10, Nidra, state of sleep. Abhava pratyaya lambana vritti nidra. Abhava, absence. Pratyaya, content of mind. Alambana, support. Vritti, modification. Nidra, sleep. Sleep is the vritti of absence of mental contents for its support. This is a very important sutra. As compared with the first three vrittis mentioned previously, this vritti is characterized by no awareness, consciousness or unconsciousness. Sleep is also one of the states of mind. It is very important to understand it because if we are able to analyze the sleep condition of the mind, we can easily understand the state of samadhi. Sleep is a condition of mind which hides or conceals the knowledge of the external world. In the Mandukya Upanishad, it is said that in sleep one does not desire anything, nor is there dream or any other perception. All the vrittis of the mind are concentrated together and the energy process fuses into one. The capacity of the faculty of perception is introverted. Outer objects are not seen or heard, nor is there any feeling whatsoever. It is an unconscious state of mind. This is exactly the idea which Patanjali wants to emphasize in this sutra. He says that in sleep there is no object before the mind. It does not see, hear, touch or feel anything. Every form of knowledge, every content of mind has become silent. When we have a mental experience of an object, that experience is called pratyaya, content of mind. We can have a pratyaya with or without the senses coming in contact with an object. We can, for example, see a rose inside our mind either in the form of a vision, a dream, or an ideal. The content of mind in all these states is called pratyaya. When the very idea of an object, the very content of mind is removed through a certain process, the mind becomes supportless. Sleep is a vritti in which the content of mind is absent. In this state, there are thoughts, but they are not present before the mind, so the mind does not see, touch, think, hear, feel, or have any sense or mental experience. Psychologically, in that state, the brain and the mind are disconnected and thoughts are suppressed temporarily. Similarly, in dhyana, we sometimes become unconscious when the activity of the mind stops. The state of sleep is comparable with the state of samadhi inasmuch as in both there is absence of consciousness of the external world. The only difference between sleep and samadhi is that in the latter state, the notion of I persists to a certain extent, whereas in sleep there is no awareness of the I notion. In the state of samadhi, the awareness of separate existences and qualities such as an individual's nationality, one's own name and form ceases completely, yet a kind of awareness still persists. This awareness is devoid of all the peculiarities belonging to the external world. The awareness we have in the waking state is exactly like the one in Samadhi. The difference is that in Samadhi, the objects are absent, but the awareness is there. There has been much misunderstanding, misconception, misruling, misinterpretation. It is supposed that Samadhi is a state of absolute unconsciousness, whereas it is actually the opposite. Harihi Om.